Rich Dad Poor Dad Robert Kiyosaki, an author, talked about an interesting idea that he calls the cash flow quadrant. In his view, there is not much difference between the rich and the poor. People on the left work for cash because they need security, while people on the right work for freedom in order to don't have to work hard all their lives. People can get rich with these 8 things and never need to work again. 1. Business at some point. We've all been amazed by businesses who have done well. We have no idea how they come up with billions of dollars in their entire lives. We're also sometimes influenced by bad celebrity ideas. We think that the very rich are shady, cruel friends who have never worked a day in their lives. But this way of thinking is what keeps us poor, our whole lives. Making a business that makes money takes all of your blood, sweat, and tears. Looking for a business idea and turning it into a global company is not an easy task. The difference between rich businesses and workers is the same as the difference between passive and active income. People who start a business work very hard for the first few years, but workers work hard their whole lives. While workers live from paycheck to paycheck, entrepreneurs build assets that make them money for life, even if they never work again. Entrepreneurs protect their own lives and the lives of their children, while workers die poor and don't leave anything for the next generation. 2. Real estate. Starting a business is one of the best ways to get rich, but it's not the only way. We all come from different financial backgrounds, and for many of us, having a safe job with benefits is necessary to be able to stand on our own 2 feet. With these kinds of restrictions, quitting your job and starting a business isn't always a risk you can take, but that doesn't mean you have to work hard your whole life for someone else. OPM stands for other people's money. To put it simply, he tells people to borrow money to buy rental property. These kinds of homes give you a way to make extra money besides your 9-to-5 job. The rent you get covers your mortgage and other costs, plus it gives you some extra cash. Also, investing in real estate can lower your taxes, which is like getting free money. So why not take advantage of the tax breaks that come with it? That's when you truly achieve financial freedom. You don't have to work for money. Your assets do the work for you, and if you're smart, you'll start adding more passive income streams as you go. 3. Paper assets on paper. We all know that with businesses and real estate, you have to put in time and work before you can see results. This happens when most of us work 10 to 12 hours a day and don't have much free time. Robert Kiyosaki talks about another way to get rich. Even though you have to be careful with your buying, it is much easier to start for people who are short on time and money. You can put your hard-earned cash into stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and G-Secs instead of going to bars and pubs every week. You can choose an instrument based on how much risk you are willing to take. You can get out of the 9-to-5 grind faster if you save and spend more. This will also give you more time to develop other passive income streams. 4. Commodities. Why does the dollar's value fluctuate? Because paper money is a man-made concept, backed by the government and printed by the Fed at will. While the U.S. is a superpower, the dollar reigns. However, if another country surpasses the U.S., its currency takes over. To build lasting wealth, saving in one currency is risky. Enter God's money, commodities like gold and oil, a hedge against paper's uncertainties. Diversify your portfolio with commodities. They rise when other assets fall. 5. Time is a very important part of making money. Economists know that time is the most valuable resource, so the saying, "time is money," has meaning. You can make and lose money, but you can't get back time. Your youth is a benefit because it lets you take smart chances and get back on your feet after a financial setback. When it comes to investing, time really does matter. Someone who starts investing when they are 20 is likely to get a lot more money than someone who starts when they are 30. Warren Buffett, who is sometimes called the Oracle of Omaha, says that people who want to get rich should start early. Continuously improving yourself is another way to make the most of your time. Putting time into yourself can lead to life-changing possibilities, whether it's working on a side job on the weekends, learning new skills for professional growth, or following personal interests. 6. Wealth building. Wealth in any form provides a strong base for you and your family. allowing you to withstand the constantly shifting global economy. Good for your health. While making good use of your time is more of a thinking task. If you want to reach all of your goals and dreams, you need to be physically fit. A lot of us don't take care of our bodies when we're young. We eat fast food and diner food that isn't good for us, drink too much wine, or even smoke a few cigarettes. We take a break because we've worked hard and deserve it. Then we go back to our jobs, excited to make more money so we can do it all over again. We can work harder and make more money if we take care of our bodies and exercise regularly. We can also live a long, healthy life with our family and friends. 7. Online assets. How much does it cost to make a YouTube channel? Not a single thing. It's not expensive. Also, have you ever watched a YouTube movie and learned something cool? It's in everyone. So why not use your knowledge and skills to help someone who is having trouble with something you are good at? If people really want what you have to offer, you'll get enough followers quickly and YouTube will pay you. You can even start making money from ads. You can turn your online assets into a business once they start making you enough money. You can improve the material, hire people to work for you, and even join partner programs to make more money. 8. Your network. You know that saying, a happy customer is a referring customer? Well, it's like a golden rule in business. It means when your customers are happy with your service, they're likely to recommend you to others. And let's be real, that recommendation can make all the difference in the world for your business, whether it's a small startup or a big company. Think about it. Doing good work is important, no doubt. It helps you move up the ladder. But when your clients start singing your praises and telling their friends about how awesome you are, that's when things really take off. It's like having a bunch of cheerleaders for your business, and who doesn't want that? So, building a good reputation and making your customers happy isn't just a nice thing to do. It's a smart move that can totally change the game for you. We deeply appreciate your commitment to exploring the intricate world of 8 wealth-building assets with us. Your dedication to understanding these essential aspects of financial growth is commendable. Your engagement not only showcases your dedication to financial literacy, your support is the driving force behind our mission to empower individuals on their journey to financial freedom. Each like, comment, and subscription is a vote of confidence that fuels our commitment to providing high-quality information. As you embark on your path to financial success, remember that your journey is unique, and we genuinely wish you utmost prosperity. Here's to a future filled with achievement and the fulfillment of your financial goals. Cheers to your financial freedom. May it be a rewarding and exhilarating adventure.